Hello everyone, my name is Maslow. Welcome back to the channel where we like to hot rod everything. Today, my helmet is getting a Comm for the first time ever. I have been an earplugs guy for my entire riding career, but I've noticed I'm kind of the only one left. Everyone else has some sort of Cardo or Comm device, and I didn't want to spend $100. So when this bad boy was like 25 or 26 bucks on Black Friday special, needless to say, I couldn't help myself. I love finding little Amazon special wins that are a fraction of the price of the name brands. Some of them are terrible, some of them are great, and in the name of science, let's find out. This is my AGV K1. As you can see, it's got some miles on it. It has been down. I knocked the aero fin off the back when I crashed at the racetrack. So it needs to be replaced, but it is the perfect candidate for modification in the name of science. Just reading the box real quick. It says HD voice, Bluetooth 5.3, powerful battery, music, IPX6 waterproof, HD microphone. I'll be the judge of that. Compatible with iOS and Android, that's nice, and noise reduction. That's the feature I'm probably most interested in here. And then, you know, just whatever it comes in, whatever else comes in the box. So, let's open this bad boy up. Directions. A little unit here. There it is. I guess that's why people do the hand thing, huh? Because it works. Cool. What else we got? Plastic. This little clip-on mounting bracket, which I'm hoping is super easy. Charging cable. What are these? Those look like Velcro adhesive things. And then the microphone and speaker combo. Now, I don't know. Oh, just USB-C into here, I guess. Very nice. I don't know what kind of mini plugs all this uses. That's a really, really tiny thing there. I'm kind of wondering if I could just replace, you know, if this works, if I could replace the speakers, but that's down the line, you know, with better ones or whatever. That's down the line. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. We got near speaker, far speaker, and then USB-C connectivity. So, yes, pin back in, everything basically where it's supposed to be. All right, it's noticeably more snug. I can feel the speakers in my ears, not necessarily in an uncomfortable way. It's not like earplugs are comfortable, but you can definitely feel something there. Microphone's actually in a pretty good spot. And nothing's in the way when I strap it up. So, all right, I think that'll do for now. How long did that take? About 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So, not unreasonable. And there it is. There it is. Cold tires, Maslow. Oh yeah. And bring it right back in. Gosh, I love riding bikes. All right, at highway speed, I'm getting a lot of wind noise. Not a lot of music. I'm losing so much information in the wind noise that the speakers don't really sound that good. And I'm just getting bludgeoned with the highs at highway speed. Not exactly ideal. Maybe if I was on a cruiser with a big windscreen, it might not be so bad.
Honestly, that's pretty much exactly the way I thought it was going to go on the highway. Let's get on to PCH and see if it changes the story a little bit. Oh, that's brutal on the highway. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, buddy. What a legend. Okay, so cruising at 50 or 55. I still don't feel like I'm getting any noise cancellation, but it does sound better. Beautiful sunny Sunday on PCH. It's basically why we move here. With noise cancellation, I think it would make a huge difference. I mean, it is nice listening to the Red Hot Chili Peppers by the beach. Beautiful day. See, now the music is not annoying, but it's so quiet that I can't actually hear all the instruments. Pretty good, how are you? Just the beach, you know, just gonna pull over and hang out for a little bit. Really nowhere in particular. Just enjoying the Sunday. Another lovely chap. Aren't bikers the best? I mean, we're basically best friends now. One stoplight was all it took. Look at this guy giving me warnings of what the road conditions are like. What a legend. I could go eat Chipotle in Malibu for lunch, but I really hate their wooden utensils. Honestly ruins the taste of the food when you're just chewing on a stick. Oh, this guy's saying do wheelies. Oh, not today, boy, sorry. Right before the 25-mile-an-hour zone. 2007. Never missed a beat. Let's, I don't know, try to call my dad or something. Call Dad. Oh, it worked. I can barely even hear it ring. Look at the boys. Just chilling. Well, I got it to work once. Maybe I just can't. Maybe it's working and I just can't hear the dong. Call Mom. Oh my God, I think it worked. Oh, I can hear it ring. This is gonna be funny. Oh, she didn't answer. What a shame. Oh. You gotta turn the volume up so high to hear the phone. When the music comes back on, you just get bludgeoned. I bet that's the difference between this and the more expensive ones, is that the noise cancellation works a lot better and the speakers are a lot higher quality, so it's not like having a tweeter going straight to the dome. Maybe I'll just cruise through the Country Mart and then turn back around. Maybe try and call Davidas on the way back. Alright, so this is Luke Bryan. I'm getting all Luke Bryan and banjo and nothing else. I bet for directions it's actually fine, but for music I don't think this is the setup for me. Alright, couple of bikes. Nice GT3. Nice RA convertible. Oh, nice H1, brother. Now that's a Hummer. Nice legs. Come here. You want to do one? You don't want to do one? Oh, all right. Bye, guys. You know, you try to support the future generation of bikers. Call Davidas. Oh, okay. One touch, not a hold. Hey brother, I'm shooting a YouTube video right now. I just got basically speakers and a little Bluetooth unit with a microphone for my helmet. I'm on my motorcycle in Malibu. Can you hear me all right? Nice. What's going on? No, I'm not gonna make it. Got another video to shoot today, but I would definitely wanted to. I just wanted to test out this microphone setup on the phone, see how it sounds. Give me like 30 seconds. I'm about to start moving here. I'm at a stoplight right now. I want to see if I can hear you while I'm moving. But all right, now I'm moving. Close the visor. See, yeah, your voice actually sounds really good. These speakers were clearly made like to do this, basically to talk with your buddy, because you can connect them to another, helmet mount. This sounds by far the best right now. The music was honestly driving me nuts. All right, I'm way happier with this. I'm not on the highway, I'm only going 50, but this is actually pretty impressive. I wonder if it only does noise cancellation on the phone. This is way better. I'm impressed with the phone, honestly. The phone sounds great. And I can almost feel, I do feel like the noise cancellation is working right now, because my motor is just less than normal, which is pretty much how you know it's working. Interesting. If all I had to do was talk on the phone, this would be great. I think that's the verdict right there. Not good for music, but great for voice. All right, dude. Thanks for answering the phone. I'll let you get back to your Sunday afternoon. Have a good one. You can't hear what he was saying, but... Ooh, nice Mercedes there. Oh, with a girl driving. That might be my future wife. Maybe in a different timeline. Oh, nice little Porsche. Cool, bud. Man's living the dream. Wow. There's nothing left. Crazy. The destruction, unbelievable. People's homes, people's businesses, just toast. The fire waits for no one. Oh, nice truck, dude. Let's give him a thumbs up. Nice truck. Hey, he gets it. Yeah, he's got a train horn. Nice. I will say, I do love Los Angeles. And I do love the car culture in Los Angeles. If you're looking for a club to join, this is definitely a good one. Oh my God, wasn't ready for that. Another reason why I love riding motorcycles in California, lane splitting. And look, they're just moving out of the way for me. This is a beautiful world and how it should be. Oh, we're going down to one lane here. There's a problem. Just 3 inches is all you need. I mean, we obviously prefer more than that. But 3 will do. Oh, there we go, buddy. Very nice. Look at that. Thank you very much. All right, this looks like where I want to be. Right here. Oh, yeah. This is it. This is what I'm looking for. All right. Notes after a couple hours of wearing the helmet. The speakers didn't look that big. I think I just have big ears. And I can feel them start to push against my ears. It's getting less and less comfortable as time goes on. Now, would I rather feel that the speakers push against my ears or have earplugs inside my ears? That's a judgment call. That's a personal choice. Ain't she a beauty? Guy down there fishing. Nothing but deep blue sea. All right, well, I was very impressed with the voice quality on phone calls of this little bad boy right here, but the sound quality for music while riding is atrocious. that can happen, you know, on $25 purchases when they normally cost like 120. So I'm not super mad about it. I would love to try maybe different speakers with the same unit, see if that makes a difference. I would also like to see if maybe Bluetooth is a setting I can hold two buttons at one, or not Bluetooth. If noise cancellation is a setting I could like hold two buttons at once and make work better. But the functionality at least is there. Just the quality on some of the finer things is a little bit lacking. And I think that'll do. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share, ring the bell, and as always, hot rod everything.
In the name of science, I am connected to the unit over Bluetooth. I will pull the drop-down menu, and there is no noise cancellation option. Well, now we know.